Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how you can sign up for Cipreneurs Alliance at cipreneurs.com. So the first thing to do is to open the browser or Chrome and then type the cipreneurs.com on the URL bar, or you can also type the exact URL. So https and then www.cipreneurs.com. So once you are on the website, click the profile dropdown on the upper right side of the website, and you can see here the menu. So on the menu, you can see the login and sign up. So if you have account, you can proceed with login. So this time for this tutorial, let's click the sign up. So here's the sign up form, and let's adjust the screen. So here's the form. So what it needs is the first name, last name, email address, and also the password. So let's enter here Cebu, just a test, but please enter your correct information because you need to verify that one. So Cebu freelancers. So these types of, I mean, this type of data can be set up on your business settings once you are done creating your account. So there's no need for you to set up your business on this form. This should be your correct name and last name. So this time we'll be using this test email address, and we will skip the let's add mobile, just 123 for now, and then here we'll be adding password. So 12345, then 12345, just for the sake of this tutorial. So proceed clicking the create account. It requires us to, so 09 22222 something. So let's proceed. Password must also be strong. So 123456789. Here also 123456789, and click the create account. So here it says in here that account was created successfully. Your account created, but there's one more important steps. So before you can sign in, so please check your email inbox for confirmation, including the spam. But as you can see on the other tab, we have one in here, which means that the email was received. So also here, so we can click this got it, apology for that background which is red. It is already fixed on the other side, and we'll be pushing that to the production. So when you proceed to log in without confirming the email, this is what will happen. Yeah, so oh sorry, that's my legit account. So when you proceed to log in without confirming, this is what will happen. Email or password is incorrect, so please check your credential. Let me type the correct password, 123456789, and then log in. And let's check if we can log in. Okay, so here I don't know if it's clear on your screen, but it says here that your account is registered but not yet verified. So please check the email and click the verification link before log in. So with that, we need to confirm. So navigate to your email, open the email, and click this link. Let me zoom in. So here's the link, verify email address for Superpreneurs Alliance, and then just click this one and you will be redirected to the here. So it's currently processing the request. This will take minutes or sometimes seconds, but I think due to my internet, that's why it's so slow. So your email has been successfully verified and we are redirected in here. So with that, we can now log in using our account. So type here the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then click the login button, and we are now redirecting to the home page. So it's currently validating, and yeah, that was successful, and we are now able to log in. So it says in here on the menu that we are a guest user. So it detects that we are guest because we have not yet complete the information on our account. So you can go to settings and you can set up your username in here, which will then reflect here. So you can put all the information in here so that the team can verify your information. So going back to the home, and we can now navigate to the B-Score. So when you navigate to the B-Score and open the services, you can now start adding services in here. So just click this one and it will open the form, so you can add your services in here, and after you click the add service, it will be put to pending, but currently it will reflect immediately to the services here, since our team are currently validating the existing data. So when you also want to add your products, we can add it here. So same flow with the services, and also if you want to add properties like apartments, condominiums for sale or for rent, something, so you can also add your properties. So services and products. So with regards to the currency, it will be automatically be handled based on your location. So if you are on the US, then this will reflect as a dollar. So if you are in Philippines and you added your product here, so it will reflect as peso, and so on with the other currencies as well. So that's it for how to sign up for Cipreneurs.com, and let's try to open one. So you have one views, and yeah, then your customer can place an order, or the customer can also contact you, send an inquiry. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.